Introducing the Valenian FRT1000, a rotor fault simulator designed for advanced training and experimental analysis. The FRT1000 uses a sliding bearing drive mechanism and is powered by a high-speed permanent magnet synchronous motor capable of reaching speeds of up to 10,000 RPM. Use the coupling system to easily engage drive. The device features a double-span rotor with counterweights for dynamic balancing, supported by a friction-type bracket. It's equipped with an eddy current sensor mounted on the throttling side, along with a polished shaft and shaft sleeve. The FRT1000 comes equipped with a filler cup used to add lubricating oil for conducting oil film vortex tests. The transformer and speed controller connected to the motor enables accurate and flexible speed control. Here's how it works. Simply plug it in, switch it on, and set the speed. At around 50 volts, the device begins to operate smoothly. The voltage range can be adjusted to correspond to the critical speed of the system, where resonance may occur. Using the single dial speed adjustment feature, you'll notice increased vibration and noise when passing through this resonance zone. Once the rotor surpasses the critical speed, the system stabilizes and both vibration and noise decrease significantly. You may also observe resonance again during deceleration as the rotor passes back through the critical speed range. Other components include many accessories and fasteners that help get the maximum out of the system and ensure its safety. Also included in the standard system is a safety screen, for example, which is not shown here. The Valenian FRT1000 is an excellent training and experimental platform for studying the dynamic behavior of flexible rotors. Contact CBM Partners, your Valenian UK experts, for more information.